surd. Now we are going to learn that surds. What is the definition of the surd? In this is a nth root over a. Nth root over a is called a surd. This is how, what are those n and a? Here n is a positive integer. Here n is a positive integer and condition greater than 1. We have to take positive integers that should be greater than 1. Means 2, 3, 4. It starts from 2. Okay. N value starts from 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So n is a positive integer. Here n is a positive integer which is greater than 1 and a is a positive rational number. A is a positive rational number. N is a positive integer. This is a positive integer. This is a positive rational number. Observe this. There are no negatives in this. Okay. For negative numbers, surds are not exist here. So that n is a positive integer. Integers to it's greater than 1. It is condition is greater than 1. Therefore, n is starting from 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. But a value positives except 0, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 2 by 5, whatever it is. Rational numbers, whatever it is, in the form of p by q. This can be written as nth root over, this is read as nth root over a. This n is in the shape of v. This n is in the shape of v. But what is the condition? A is a positive rational number, but not nth power of any rational number. A is a rational number, but it is not nth power of another rational number. Why it is? See that. For example, cube root over 8. Cube root over 8. 8 can be written as 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 cube. We are getting that cube root over 2 power 3. See, observe this. Both are same. So, nth power, whenever n is a is not nth power of the another rational number. 8 is third power of another rational number 2. So here cube root over 8 is not a surd. Okay. Such type of problems are not surd. Such type of formulas. So that nth order, nth power of any another rational number. A is not nth power of another rational number. 8 we are getting 2 cube. So it is not. See, such that this type of problems are not. Okay. So is called a surd, nth order. Here this is nth root over a is called a surd. This order is nth order. Nth order, we say that nth order. Here two forms are there. Either this can be written or this can be written. Any one of these two is written. See, in this is one form, this is second form. First form is radical form. This form is called radical form. This form is called exponential form. Because of power is written to the base. So powers are taken here. Those are called exponential forms. This is a radical form. This is a exponential form. See this. Then nth root over a is called a surd of nth order. What we write in the V shape, that is called nth order. N. How to read? Nth root over a. Here what we have used, n is a positive integer, a is a positive rational number. Here a is called radicand. In this symbol, a is called radicand. What is that? Radicand. Now nth root except a, nth root. See this. A is called radicand. Nth root except a, only symbol. Nth root symbol is called radical sign. See, nth root over, except the value here. Just only the symbol is called radical sign. Now here n is called the degree of the radical. This is the radical sign. N is called the degree of radical. The forms of two forms are there. Forms of the surds, two forms. One is radical form, another is exponential form. This is a radical form. This is the exponential form. Examples we can see for this radical form and exponential form. Ones, first one, cube root over 5. Cube root over 5. This can be written as 5 power, nothing is there, 1 by 3. 5 power 1 by 3. Okay, now this is the radical form, this is exponential form. What about the second one? Fourth root over 10. Fourth root over 10. This is a radical form. What is its exponential form? 10 to the power 1 by 4. 10 to the power 1 by 4. Okay. If this is given, this can be written. If this is given, this can be written. Okay. Now the third one. 7th root over 8. 7th root over. There it is cube root over. Here it is 7th root over 8. Here 8 power 1 is there. 1 by 7. See, 7th root over 8 can be written as 8 power 1 by 7. If suppose this is given, how to write in the, this is exponential form. How can we write the radical form? Simple. Denominator is there na? Denominator 7. 7th root over 8. 7th root over 8. Now you see 10 to the power 1 by 4. This is a exponential form. This how can we write in radical form? 4th root over 10. Now this is a exponential form. This can be expressed in radical form. How? See, 3 is there. Cube root over 5 like this. If this is given, this can be written. If this is given, this can be written. Like this we have to form. This is the definition of the surd and with some examples which are in the two forms. Okay? Right.